And hello, folks, and this is your old pal Uncle Al. Stretch out from my nap from on the couch because of ill health. Okay, remember I showed you this Biden's 100-day plan and congratulate to the Democrats 40 pieces of silver and those weak-willed Republicans. Okay, day one, 30% of all American small businesses, because China doesn't like you, will be closed forever. Day one, 20 million homeless Americans in poverty because China wants to take all your money. Day one, you will be taxed to help pay for China, which they're jumping for joy right now, thanks to our friends, the Democrats. Day two, they already jumped ahead a little bit. Big tech with Chinese agents are promoting unthink. They're brainwashing you. Now, I keep telling people because people are bloody stupid. Most of the sheep are. And half of all you preppers are stupid as hell. Unthink program. Okay? Doublespeak, unthink, and your brain scrambled forever. Like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube are actively censoring your free thought. Very bad. See? Very angry face. I did warn everybody, but nobody ever listens to me. And what that means, China controls all media. Unfortunately, this isn't a short, so I'm telling you this because it's starting to get really bad out there. Okay? Twitter just banned every conservative platform, including the president, and anybody who still thinks free. Okay? Who isn't under social programming or unthink. And YouTube's doing the same. They're just going by channels. You suddenly notice there's a big purge of channels just disappear. Okay, here's Uncle Alan's solution to that. That's a fun one. And it doesn't really hurt anybody. You know where headquarters of YouTube in San Mateo throw every piece of dog poo, cat poo, human poo, homeless poo, and all their garbage onto YouTube and Google and all the roadkill. Okay? You got wet garbage, bag it up and throw it at Google. You got poo from your Great Dane, throw it at Google. YouTube. I get mixed up sometimes. Uncle Alan's old and tired. That's why he's sleeping on the couch. So I'm going to have fun because right now I figure I got 985 videos in the can and nothing violent. I congratulated the Democrats. In the next 4 years, a lot of you people who are singing and dancing right now in the street finally realize we're going to have a draft. And a lot of people, I'm too old to be drafted. Wrong. Read their paperwork. Anybody from 17, both sexes, it doesn't matter if you're gay, lesbian, whatever, or peace, or conscientious adapter, you're going to get drafted. And it's going to go up to age 55 and older. And forget if I'm right, because Uncle Alan read all 12 time streams, which a lot of people don't understand that's dealing with mathematics. A lot of you are going to get drafted. But I'm retired. I have my RV. Nope, they're going to call you back. You have to be either dead or over 65 and dead. They ain't kidding. If you still move, breathe, like I said, it's a dying empire. And who's doing the dying dance? China. A lot of Chinese are really nervous because they just invented or improved their suicide helmet. That means if you don't listen to China, their digital thing blows out your brains. You know, a lot of people don't get that because I'm way ahead of your curve. It's supposed to help our Chinese soldiers to fight better. Yeah, because they have a bomb planted next to their brain skull. People don't listen to Uncle Al. Okay? Sorry, this is going to be a long one. Day 2, it's already started. Massive confiscation in all 50 states. Gun ban, ammo ban, magazine ban, and every law, House Senate bill, House bill, state bill, local bill, find their off of the authors, people who wrote it, and make them disappear. Now, God doesn't promote violence, but if they commit suicide, it's not my problem. Just do it quietly. And all this leads to Georgia. Now, I did warn people. Georgia, rest in peace. God bless them. Every major gun control bill is coming out of Georgia. I'm sorry, but it is. And you had your chance. And the worst one is California's Attorney General. Guess what his new job is? Arresting all you people. Massive gun control. Yeah, I'm always laughing. I'm ahead of the curve. And what that means, if you're black, Latino, if you look wrong, if you're an American, a real American, or you don't like their policy, your guns are taken. If you have SSI, no SSI until you turn in all your guns. If you're on federal pension, no federal pension until you turn in all your guns. Simple as that. And they're trying to make it as a health reason, which I find hilarious, because this has got to be the stupidest thing I ever heard. But it's true. They're making a health reason because it promotes racism. If you own ammo, if you have a gun magazine, if you have an inanimate object they don't like your children. Remember, I told you phase 4 and phase 5. And by the spring, if you're not awake and you haven't got rid of the authors of these bills, then you deserve the Amerika for the summer. I gotta stop laughing. Okay, remember. And that's fine for Dad on YouTube, or let's say Smurf Dad on YouTube, or LA Prepper, aka LA Smurf. Okay? And then to finish this off, Biden's plans, everything changes on January 6th because Trump's no longer our president. It was settled. He's an unperson now. Biden's plan for helping the communist takeover in 2021, enslaving America. You're now a slave. Doesn't matter what color you are, black, white, brown, you're a slave. More riots, more BLM. Unfortunately, they have to get rid of Antifa. So if it's okay, let's say there's Antifa in your neighborhood, you could shoot them. Okay, because they don't want them anymore. They became the SA, and nobody ever reads history. I go ask Wayne, they're the SA. I just laugh my head off. Destroy the economy and food supply, economic warfare, and starvation. All this is heading to China. You're going to starve. Next 4 years, you're going to starve and be broke, homeless, starving. Probably ate one of your kids. Ah, God, so funny. All right, Starve America, Feed China program. End of the USA, 1/6/21. Tell that to your kids when they kick you in the nuts. No federal backing of all states. We're going to lose Hawaii. We're going to lose Guam. Guam's not a state, but we're going to lose that. And we're going to lose Puerto Rico. And we're going to lose Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Guam, the little islands. It's funny as hell. I can't stop laughing. Okay? No federal backing of these areas, states. I put down states because that. And number 4 of Biden's policy, the evil trio, politician, aka bureaucrats, perverts. You know what happened to Einstein, or the guy who arranged for Mr. Clinton's AIDS. And then we have homegrown terrorism. Oh, God. I hate to say it, folks, but you're being played. And we're going to go back to the next videos, more on food and what to do for starvation. I will work on something to save your life on economic warfare. And I'll catch you later, folks. You have a pleasant evening. Uncle and the crazed Mad Hatters got plans. So like I said, let it rain brown on these people. Pick up roadkill and stuff. And tell Jack on Twitter what you feel. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice night.